Let me show you how to use the box of Southern Italy. Let's open! Opening the box, you will find, thank you later, the Apulian gabagool, the golden honey, taralli, it's like a crunchy bread. That's provolone, fullone, mixed cheese, sheep and cow cheese, olives in salamoy. We have an extra gift, that's a Puglia travel guide, the warranty certificate of the food. The last one, white golden ticket. Now I will show you how we usually eat this food. Take a cutting board and small bowls. Put the tarallini in a small bowl. Drain the brine. Put the olives in a small bowl. Open the gabagool and place it on the cutting board. Open the cheese, cut and place on the cutting board. Do the same with the provolone fullone. In the center, put roasted almonds, and this is the honey. Then you can combine with the other products. You can combine these 7 products. This Southern Italy appetizer is for 6 people and is good for a picnic or special time at the beginning of the party to get off a great start with your guests. My favorite combination are olives with capocollo and tarallini, tarallini plus honey, almond plus honey, and of course cheeses with honey. Order my box now to try the flavors of Southern Italian farms.